Welcome! This video is designed to demonstrate how to commission ABB's CTC and CTD time relays. You will learn the essential steps required to properly set up these devices. Please note that both time relay ranges follow similar configuration methods, making it easy to apply the instructions across the product families. A CTMFC12 multifunctional time relay is used for visualization in this video. This guide covers a brief device overview and configuration examples. With its width of only 17.5 mm, the CTD series is perfect for installation in distribution cabinets, as well as for industrial applications where compact design is required. The CTC range combines lower cost with higher value and performance by offering essential functions in a space-saving housing. CTC and CTD time relays use front-facing adjustment dials for configuration. To adjust the relay settings, a screwdriver is required. Multifunctional relays include two configuration steps: timing function selection with a dial function, time delay setting with dials range, and time. Single function relays do not include the function selection step. The CTMFC12 offers 7 timing functions selected via the function dial. Details for each function are available in the product manual. Besides the timing function, two adjustments define the final time delay, T. The time range. The time delay fine adjustment. Select the desired time range using the range dial. The printed values, 1 second, 10 seconds, 100 hours, represent the maximum value for each range. Choose a range where the final time fits comfortably. For example, for a required time of 8 seconds, select the 10 seconds range. For better accuracy, select the range whose upper value is closest to the target time delay, since CTC and CTD relays have plus or minus 10% accuracy based on the end value of the selected range. For instance, choosing a 100 seconds range for a target of 8 seconds is technically possible, but the tolerance becomes plus or minus 10 seconds. Selecting the 10 seconds range reduces the tolerance to plus or minus 1 second. After selecting the range, set the time delay using the time dial. The scale from 0.5 to 10 represents the final time only for the 10 seconds, 10 minutes, and 10 hours ranges. For other ranges, multiply the scale value by the corresponding coefficient. Example, configuring 60 seconds. Set the time range to 100 seconds, which is the closest to 60 seconds. Set the time dial to 6. Since the 100 seconds range is selected, multiply the scale value by 10. 6 times 10 is equal to 60 seconds. Intermediate values can also be set. For example, to achieve 35 seconds, position the dial between 3, 30 seconds, and 4, 40 seconds. Thank you for watching.